Hi, this is Michelle Troutman with a classy business writing tip that might change how you think about content creation. What if I told you the most successful content creators aren't constantly churning out new material? The strategy they use is so simple, you might wonder why you haven't used it yourself. Stick around to learn 3 simple ways to keep your content fresh and relevant without burning out. For more videos like this, hit subscribe. And for a free checklist to help you create content that reaches the right clients, check the link in the video description. Here's a content creation secret. Timing isn't everything, it's the only thing. Think of your content like vintage fashion. The best designers don't chase trends, they reimagine classics. Your content works the same way. So that blog post you wrote in 2019, with the right timing, is practically content couture. To boost its impact, sync it to what's happening now. Align your expertise with trends, seasonal shifts, or industry news. National day calendars exist for a reason. They're not just full of donut appreciation days or squirrel awareness days. They're strategic gold mines. Revisit familiar topics and give them a timely twist. Think tax planning tips in December, goal-setting topics in January, or marketing refreshes in the second quarter. It's among the easiest ways to plan without starting from scratch. For example, a basic post entitled Email Marketing Tips could be dressed up for December as Email Marketing Tips for Year-End Sales. In January, the same content could become Reset Your Email Strategy for a New Year. In June, it's Email Tactics to Boost Summer Sales. Same core content with a slightly different angle. 3 strategies to keep your content fresh. Trend surfing. Use national day calendars for creative hooks. Batch your content to seasonal industry themes. Turn evergreen topics into timely content. Yes, National Clean Off Your Desk Day is real, and yes, it's the perfect excuse to talk productivity. 2. Data-driven timing. Use search trends and keyword research to guide what and when you post. Pay attention to what your audience is discussing, sharing, or searching for. Let your best performing past content guide your future posts. 3. The resurrection strategy. The older evergreen can later become new or trendy too. Case in point, probably because of the title and keywords, not the content depth, one of my oldest blogs on personalizing content is now one of my most visited pages. I haven't touched it since I published it, but because personalization is now a marketing buzzword, it's trending again. I plan to refresh it soon, but it just proves that even timeless content can come back in style. Remember, your old content isn't outdated, it's just waiting for the right timing. The goal isn't to start from scratch every time. It's to give your existing content a strategic makeover through taking advantage of the right timing. The beauty of this approach? It takes the pressure off. When you treat content as a reusable asset, not as one-off efforts, it becomes manageable. You're building a library, not feeding an insatiable content cookie monster. How do you breathe new life into your content? Let me know in the comments, especially if your strategy includes caffeine and mild panic. In the next video, we'll explore how to balance tried and true content with less conventional thinking. For more writing tips, like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And for your free content creation checklist, see the link in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep your writing classy.